Diesel cars often run 5 lakhs, even 10 lakhs kilometers, but petrol engines usually don't last that long. So the question is simple, why do diesel engines live longer? Both engines burn fuel, both move pistons, both power the same car. So technically they should wear out the same way. But in real life, diesel engines clearly survive longer, and the reason is hidden deep inside their engineering. Petrol engines use spark plug to ignite fuel, diesel engines don't. They compress air so hard that the fuel ignites automatically. This creates extremely high pressure inside the cylinder, and to survive that pressure, the engine must be built much stronger. Because of this compression, diesel engine use tougher internal parts, stronger pistons, heavier crankshafts, thicker connecting rods. Older diesel engines were completely made from cast iron, very strong but very heavy. Modern engines are smarter, they use lightweight aluminum blocks, but the cylinder walls are reinforced with iron liners or special coatings to handle pressure and reduce wear. But heavy duty strength where it actually matters, and that extra strength directly increases lifespan. Here's something most people don't notice. Petrol engines rev higher, 6000 to 7000 rpm or more. Diesel engines run slower, usually below 4000 to 5000 rpm. Lower rpm means fewer piston movements, less friction, less heat, less wear over time. Simply put, diesel engines work calmer and slower machines last longer. Diesel fuel is naturally more oil compared to petrol. This provides slight lubrication to fuel pumps and injectors. Petrol is thinner and less lubricating, so diesel components experience less long-term friction and wear. Small difference, but over lakhs of kilometers it really matters. Diesel engines produce strong torque at low RPM, so the engine does not need to rev hard to move the car. Less gear shifting, less aggressive acceleration, less strain on parts. Petrol engines often need higher revs for power. Diesel just pulls effortlessly. Lower stress is equal to longer life. This is exactly why diesel engines power trucks, buses, trains, generators, construction machines. Machines that run all day, every day for years. Because when durability matters most, diesel is the first choice. So if diesel is last longer, why does not every car use it? Because diesel engines are heavier, noisier, more expensive, costlier to maintain. Petrol engines are smoother and cheaper, so it's comfort versus longevity. So next time you see an old diesel car still running stronger after lakhs of kilometers, it's not luck, it's engineering. Stronger parts, lower speed, smarter design, and that's why diesel engines simply refuse to die. If you enjoy simple explanations of complex vehicle technology, subscribe for more future-ready automotive content.